don't have multiple meeting, because multiple meeting will not help you and it is not going to help the workshop. Any suggestion on the timetable? It's okay. And we are a small team. If there is some requirement, then we can definitely request to have a break. Actually, HAZOP is one of the risk assessment tool. It is one of the tool to identify our hazard and operability for our processes for this treatment plant. And this was defined long back in 1970, before I was born. I born in 1972. So before I born, this method was evaluated by a company called as ICI, Imperial Chemical Company, US, to identify any problem in the process. Because we are in design phase. If there is some problem during operation, I can see now, and if I can remove this problem from in design, that means my operation team, my maintenance team, my instrument team, my electrical team will be comfortable, right? So we are going to review entire system one by one, because entire system is big system. So we will break the system, small system. So when we break the system, this is called as a node, NODE. Node means what? Node means I'm dividing the entire section into small section. So that when I'm reviewing, let's say in the hotel on the ground floor, if you want to do the safety inspection, so you are not going to do the safety inspection sitting at the gate. You have to come in this room, then you will go in the next room, then you will go in the next room. So this room is called as a node, NODE. So when I'm reviewing, or when we are reviewing this room, we should not be worried about reception, correct? Because we will go to reception. So when we do the review of this room, we have to be focused here. Don't worry about the garden, don't worry about the reception, don't worry about the lift. We will go there. So in our system, we will take one node, means one compartment, and we will review that compartment only. We will not worry about the odor control or air blower or water system or chemical injection, right? Okay, so this is the simple methodology. We will, if you see the, this flow chart, we are going to take the node and we will identify the deviation, and then we will say why this deviation will come. What is deviation? This projector is there, right? So this projector is supposed to be there. Deviation is if this projector fall down, this is deviation, right? So we will see why this projector will fall down.